had a chance to hold the Galaxy Fold. I had a chance to use the Galaxy Fold. Now everybody all on my subscription feed and timeline talking about the Galaxy Fold is dead. Well, I don't even want to hear it. So I was completely confident in the Samsung Galaxy Fold until I read this article. Until I saw this picture, my thoughts may have changed. What's up? Now, some of you may know, some of you may not know. If you don't know, I'm gonna tell you, I've been a pretty strong supporter of the Galaxy Fold, the technology behind it, and just rooting for this phone to release and have success and win. Now, granted, I wasn't a blind supporter. I acknowledged all of the faults, all of the issues that we saw, and they made me nervous. I'm still kind of nervous, but this phone has never launched. It never officially released. So all of the issues were pre-release. So how can this phone be a failure if it never released? But that still leaves the question, is the Samsung Galaxy Fold dead? I don't know if I could get behind that headline. I don't know if I could get behind that thought. I don't know if I can even put that out into the atmosphere. I don't see Samsung just giving up. I'm pretty sure there's 24/7 around the clock R&D going on right now at the Samsung headquarters or whatever. I guarantee you better be Samsung, you better be up in there meticulously. Man, hey look, man, you better be paying overtime. It was so close. Now Samsung did the right thing. They pulled all the units, including the review units. They're like, give me that. There is a strong pre-order delay. But before I get into the details of the delay and the possible release date, let's talk about this article that I read today. Kind of had me kind of second guessing and thinking, because they striked a lot of points. Now the articles that I am referring to came from iFixit. To sum it up, they were getting inside of the Galaxy Fold and they were just speaking on how fragile this device is. Yes, it's fragile. It's a lot of complicated inside of the complicated. If that wasn't too complicated. They had a lot of good points. And the crazy one is, if you see in that picture that there's like I forget if it's like 7 millimeters, you know, it's one of those, whatever. There's a gap at the hinge of the Fold, at the bottom and the top, where you can literally lift up under the display. I didn't see that. It literally, when you have the Fold in your hand and you're using it, it's not that apparent. It's there. Now the report from the one reviewer has something get under the display and cause the display to fail has validity. So the display or the device is open to intruders to a small degree. Obviously, Samsung is aware of all of these issues, all of the failures. Big question is, what will Samsung do to remedy this situation? What is their game plan? What could they possibly be working on? I'm rooting for Samsung to solve this problem. That would be very fulfilling to see that happen, because that would be awesome. That would be dope. Under this type of pressure, a company rise from the ashes like the Phoenix, you know what I'm saying? Amazing end to this story, but there could be a different ending. The question is, how will they fix it? Can they fix it? Will they fix it? I'm still rooting for Samsung to come out on the upside of this debacle. You know what I'm saying? I want to see them overcome it. I want to see them have success with this. That leads the question is, a person who had a pre-order, an active pre-order, even after the incidents, am I still keeping my pre-order? That's the biggest question. After reading today's article, seeing the flaw physically with my eyes, the question is, have I canceled my pre-order? Real quick, before I even get into the status of my pre-order, let's talk about the email I received from AT&T about my pre-order. Now, you know, AT&T hit me up. Yo, this thing is delayed. The shipping date has been delayed and pushed out. We have to inform you due to regulations. Also, you have to make a decision. Pretty much how it was said to me. And I had to make a decision if I accept the new shipment date or I decline and to cancel my order. I ain't gonna lie, that article this morning kind of shook me a little bit. I was like, whoa. But then I'm a person who believes in the story of struggle to success. With that being said, it's no question that I absolutely hit accept, baby. Samsung, look here, player. I didn't put it all on the line. You better deliver. You better deliver. You gonna deliver, you feel me? As for you, if you had a pre-order and you are still trying to decide what you should do, My best advice, my only advice, follow your gut. They out there trying to kill my Galaxy Fold before I can even get it. How dare. Now look here, player. I want my Galaxy Fold. You can give me my Fold, okay? All right, man. I'm gonna go cry in the corner.